Thanks for tuning in to No Sight, No Problem. I'm a YouTuber that happens to be completely blind. I am a anything with motor junkie. If it rolls or floats, count me in. So you've heard me talk about a couple of builds that I'm working on, so I'd like to start by showing you this one. This started off as a 2006 EZGO TXT that I got in on a trade-in, and it was very ugly. It was just nasty green. The seats were full of mold. It was just junk. Been very, very neglected sitting outside. But instead of taking it to the junkyard, I saw this as an opportunity for a new build. So without further ado, let me get right into this. Completely stripped everything off down to the bare frame, had it sandblasted and painted, and I started ordering parts and started putting things together. So, the paintwork on this cart was done by Liquid Lenny Customs out of Clearwater, Florida. Super great guy to work with, great prices, really is passionate about his work and always goes above and beyond. And he also painted the wheels to match the body of this particular cart. For my fellow blind subscribers, the base color of the cart is black with orange flames and clear coat laid over that. And the wheels are the same color, orange and black, with clear coat over them. So it's very shiny. This has a chrome steering column on it. It has a black and chrome steering wheel. It has a black diamond plate floor mat. The rocker covers are chrome diamond plate. And this particular I did, and I almost forgot to mention, this also has chrome covers for the brake pedal and the gas pedal, which I think that's kind of a really cool feature actually. The other cart has a 6-inch long travel lift kit by Jake's. And the wheels on this are a 14-inch wheel with a 23-inch tire, off-road tires, so that they're knobbies. Has a chrome bumper on the front. If you can get a nice shot of this front of the suspension for me, that'd be great. This has adjustable coilover shocks on either side, which really helps for your ride and handling. This has tubular A-arms, very similar to a four-wheeler style suspension. And instead of having a gearbox like a traditional EZGO, this has a true rack and pinion steering in it. Has a reese hitch on the front, which some people will put winches in there or other accessories, if you will. Let's see here. This has a 500 amp alltrax controller with heavy duty solenoid. You can see the new battery tray, if you will. And this cart started off as a 36 volt. It's now been converted to 48 volt. So this will have 6 8-volt batteries in it, and all I use are Trojan, nothing else, period. That's just my personal choice. It's also, as far as the rear suspension, really nothing fancy. This just has heavy duty leaf springs with new bushings throughout. It's going to have a roll cage mounted in the back of it, very similar to a Jeep, if you will. And I'll put some cool KC lights on the top of it. It's going to have a low profile sport windshield, so there will be no roof on this cart. My thought behind this whole build is to keep it real sporty and something a little different. I try to be different. Also, it's going to have black and orange seats with safety harnesses. It's going to have a motor in it, no doubt from Plum Quick Motors. They've done stuff for me in the past, and I've always been very pleased with their customer service and their motor builds. So that's always my first choice to go to for anything performance related as far as electric motors go. More parts in, I will be sure to actually video the things being installed. I want to thank all of you guys for watching my channel, No Sight, No Problem. Please hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our content and videos that we put up. And also be sure to subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for hanging out with us. Appreciate you.